guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of R&D Garage. First and foremost, I want to thank you guys so much for being subscribers. We've hit 2020. We've hit over 2,000. This to me is like mind-blowing, but I'm so happy you're here with me on this car journey. So today we are basically doing a tool review. A tool as in a tire dolly. Now this is pretty cool. So this is by Maxxhaul. It's good up to 300 pounds worth of tires. And again, it's a tire dolly. So we bought this from Amazon. The plastic is pretty much heavy duty. It feels good. It's tough. It can definitely handle all the tires. And what cracks me up is the reviews on Amazon. If you're like me, if you're bored, every once in a while you just go, read reviews on Amazon. People were wondering where where the wheels for this dolly were located. Because, it comes shipped like this. There's like a little circle in the middle. Nothing on the back. Obviously, they didn't put it together for you. But people were like, mine came without wheels. Where are the wheels? Guys, this swivels for a reason. So basically, you turn it, you lift up, bam, wheels. So do your homework before you... Let's leave it at that. Anyway, so we found the wheels. Okay, so these are perfect, especially for people maybe in the East Coast where you have snow tires, you have summer tires, and then of course us where we have like drag radials, we have regular tires for our cars. If you're like me, you just have way too many tires. So this makes it easier just to pile them all on top, up to 300 pounds. And this way, instead of having piles of tires that are, really, really hard to move, you can just put them all on this and wheel them off. So let's put this thing together. Okay guys, let's put this sucker together. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take out all the wheels, and you'll notice that they have nuts and washers on them. So another thing we gotta do, take off the nuts, take off the washers. I'm gonna do it one by one, so in case an earthquake happens to happen, washers everywhere doesn't happen. Okay, so now I'm gonna lift this up and you'll see that it's actually hex shaped in there. So the thing about this is they actually have a solid hex shape, I guess just kind of like it's a nut, but it's like glued to it, so it's not gonna move. And so this actually helps when you stick it all the way in. So when you're, deep in your socket wrench, the whole thing isn't gonna swivel around and drive you crazy. So first thing we're gonna do is pop this in, and then you'll notice it doesn't really come up a whole lot in the top. So you're gonna have to possibly struggle with this a little bit, possibly not, but I'm gonna go ahead, throw on the washer, and then go ahead and put on the nut. And the nut is gonna be rubber side up. So, and this may not, okay, there we go. So again, you're gonna have to fiddle with it just a little bit. There we go. And the more you can push it up, the better it is. So, okay, and it's actually 1/2 inch. Oops, and my nut fell off. Okay. Yeah, this is kind of a bit of a bear. Why are you not? There we go. Oh, come on, nut. Okay, there it starts to go. Okay. Okay, so I've got that one nice and tight. So you can see this is not such a big deal to put together. So now I'm going to do the next one. See, what am I talking about? Nuts everywhere. And then here you can store like lug nuts, you can store whatever you need for the tires. Yeah, just so it basically keeps everything together. So I think this is pretty cool. Bam, let's put some tires on this thing. Let's go. So as you can see, we have a couple of tires over here. This is actually not a whole lot for us right now, but let's go ahead. Line it up. There we go, just like that. So these are actually the front street tires for the Civic. Since the season started, I just keep the drag radials on her until we're actually going somewhere. But check it out. Yay, so much easier than before. So we're just gonna go ahead, leave that right there, wash our hands, and we're good to go. So one more cool feature of this wheel dolly. So you're thinking, okay, that's great, it's on wheels, but doesn't it need to stop at some point? What if I'm on a hill? Well, look at this. You push it out like this pops out, and this is actually acts as the brake. So you push the lever down, it's not going anywhere. Yay. So one last thing, let's say you're all dressed up, ready to go, you forgot your tires, so you have to run back to the shop. This way, you can move it on the dolly and not get your hands dirty. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching R&D Garage. I'm so happy I could bring like a tour of you for you today. It's been a while, so I figured that'd be kind of fun. We are definitely going to be working on more cars next weekend and following up. We've been going to so many Cars and Coffee. I've been doing so many walkarounds of just interesting cars that I hope you guys are enjoying for my shorts. So again, take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I'll be back soon.